Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the open source resources that are available to us in verifying the IUPAC name to a structure. OPSIN is a Java library for IUPAC name to structure conversion that we can readily use. So in our previous videos, we discussed about name to structure. So let us verify the structure based on the names. So let us just cut and paste this name in this and submit, and then we will get the structure. Now, this doesn't mean that the IUPAC name is always correct. There are cases where you can get the structure even if the name is slightly wrong or slightly misleading. What I mean is, for example, for this compound, you can either start numbering from the bridge at position 1, 2. Basically, like you can make the give the alkene the 2 position, or you can also give the alkyne 2 position if you go in the reverse way. So what I mean is, so if you type here 1 force and then 2 ion, it will still generate the structure. Okay, so now you need to know by IUPAC rule which is correct. We have to give low numbers to the double bond first. Okay, that's the correct one. So that's why just because you know the name and the OPSIN is generating the structure, it doesn't mean that it is always correct. What you need to know is you need to know the exact rule still, so that you can verify the name to structure conversion. Another open resource that is available to us is openmolecules.org. Here also, you can just type the substance name or compound name, and you can get the structure. So for example, let us try this one. So cut and paste the name here, get 3D structure or 2D structure, then it should give the structure of the compound. If you want 3D structure, then you can get that one too. Okay, so these are the 2 open resources that are available that you can readily use to verify the IUPAC name to a structure. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, consider subscribing it to Chem Media. Thank you.